Alright, I got something in the mail today that I am super excited about. I found this guy online, on Facebook actually. His company's name is Size Flies. Basically he hand ties tungsten waxworms that glow. Looking at the pictures and the reviews, these things are awesome. I can't wait to take a look at them. I've been waiting to open them in front of you guys because I figured you'd want to see them first with me. So the anticipation is killing me, and let's dive in. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside. He did tell me that he sent something extra with, so we'll see. And I'll link, I'll post a link to his page in the description down below. Simcoe bugs. That's the name of his company. Holy smokes, did he hook us up. These are what I was going for, is these Simcoe wax worm bugs, basically. Look at these things. These things are fire. They all glow in the dark. I'll hit the light here quick and see if you guys can see that. Nope, guess not. They haven't been exposed to enough light yet, but these things are way awesome. They actually exceed my expectations on them. What is this? Said he threw in a couple goodies for me. This looks awesome. Oh man, and some bucktails. Those are gonna kill the walleye. Those are gonna be nice cold water, early spring, late fall jigs right there. Shoot, those might even work through the ice. So yeah, there's his card. Simcoe bugs. Awesome. Tell you what, I'll be recommending this guy to all my friends. Expect to see these catching some fish in the future. There it is, Size Flies. Really cool. I like his cards here too, actually. There it is. Definitely happy with it. So guys, look them up. Simcoe bugs, Size Flies, multi-species fly tying. This thing is way awesome. That's gonna kill it. I hope I don't lose that thing, because that is gonna be a killer bait right there. Awesome. Check them out.